I'm walking down the hallway. Lou just saw me videoing myself. So I haven't done anything in about, I don't know, 18 hours. We went to Food and Wine last night, and I felt like enjoying myself a little bit and not carrying around the camera the whole time. So put that down. Now we went over to Hollywood Studios this morning for early magic hours, extra magic hours. Checked out Galaxy's Edge again. Also then went over to Epcot. We did Galaxy's Edge, we walked around, we went on Millennium Falcon, we did Tower of Terror, and we did Rock and Roller Coaster in an hour. So it's pretty awesome. Sorry, I had to turn off the camera before because I was getting made fun of by Lou. Hey buddy. Oh yeah, go ahead. So yeah, we went to Hollywood Studios this morning for the extra early magic hours at 6 a.m. We got on everything within an hour, and it was awesome. So we then got back on the boat, shot back over to Epcot for their extra magic hours, which we basically just went in and did test track just because Bill hadn't done it. And now we are headed back over to Hollywood Studios for lunch at 50's Primetime Cafe. And then we are going to be in Hollywood Studios for the remainder of the day. So looking forward to it. We're going to see Fantasmic tonight. I have not seen Fantasmic before, so I'm excited about that. We've also got Slinky Dog, and we have the Beauty and the Beast live show. So exciting stuff as far as Fast Passes go.
I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. Looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way.
Just got out of 50's Primetime Cafe.
Excellent as usual.
Thumbs up. That's what we're going with on 50's Primetime. It was delicious. Now we're heading over to the Beauty and the Beast live stage show. And then we got Slinky Dog around 3:30 this afternoon, so gonna wander around a little bit and check some stuff out. But it's beautiful out today, though. It's not that hot, so all right. Hopefully the rest of the day will be just as good as the day started out.
Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions. Yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm just scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me.
It's hot. We went to the Beauty and the Beast show, and we hung out and had a couple drinks at the Sunshine Marketplace thing. And now we are getting ready to head into Toy Story Land to go on Slinky Dog and Alien Swirling Saucers.
I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. I with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention.
Here we go! Should I hold it like this so we can see each other?
No. Can you hold them at that?
Oh yeah!
You gotta wait for his order.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles, and I got them too. There is anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together.
Just got off Slinky Dog. It was awesome. Now my mom and Court's mom and Kaylee are gonna go on flying saucers, so I'm gonna get some video of them.
¿Has visto la pequeña vaquera?
Why are you
Yo
interfering?
mostraré a ella las maravillas de la galaxia y juntos derrotaremos al malvado emperador Zul.
Why do I get the feeling I was just in Spanish mode?
Always interfering. Flying Saucers was a success. Making our way into Galaxy's Edge right now. First time Court and Lisa are gonna, oh no, Lisa was already in it. First time Court's gonna see it. Super excited about that. Like, I want to get her reaction. She doesn't want to be on camera. So we're just not gonna do it.
My reaction.
To this glorious land known as Galaxy's Edge. try the Ronto wrap. Just got out of Olga's Cantina and made our way back out of Galaxy's Edge. What'd you guys think of the Cantina?
It's okay, it's cool, but
Want some food in it.
yeah, you need a little food.
More spaces to sit down would have been nice. Very limited on space. They kind of crammed 10 of us into a corner and basically said we couldn't leave it. So
And we're not allowed to leave while we were in that corner.
Yeah.
It's a biggie.
So it was okay though. The drinks were good. My mouth was numb, and then now we're gonna go check out the Frozen sing-along and probably hit a Baseline Tap House. Yes, please. Just sat down for Fantasmic. Last night for these two. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, great time.
Great week.
All right.
We're hitting the boardwalk tonight.
So are we.
Here we are.
Last night for you guys. Did you guys have fun?
Yes, we had a great time.
Excellent time.